welcome back to Hungry JJ. We're featuring
LarisB.
LarisB.
Hello.
So today, we're going to try 7-Eleven's ramen kit.
We got our ramen kits from our local 7-Eleven down here at the freezers.
Here's the spicy tonkotsu ramen in the bag. Meanwhile, here's the shoyu ramen in the bag.
The 7-Eleven staff let us record this, which is pretty nice. Here are the bags in its home.
In the shoyu ramen kit, you will get noodles, the pour, mushrooms and some greens, and the soup stock. Meanwhile, for the spicy tonkotsu ramen kit, we have noodles, some mushrooms, nori, and some greens, the tonkotsu or the ground meat, and the soup stock.
To prepare the ramen, just add the soup, the noodles, the meats, and the mushrooms into a bowl, then microwave it according to package instructions.
So we have
Spicy tonkotsu and shoyu.
So now we're going to try it.
So here's the spicy tonkotsu. So here you've got some mushrooms, some chai bits, and we got some nori, and then the noodles, the soup, and I assume these little bits right here, they're like the meat bits. And here's the shoyu. So you've got your noodles, the chai bits, and this huge slab of meat. And we've got some mushrooms and nori. So that's the shoyu.
So now we're going to try shoyu.
This shoyu smell, it's really overpowering. Once you get it out of the microwave, all you're just smelling is the soy.
So my feedback is, I think you have to microwave it longer because it's now already cold and it's greasy. And then the noodles are too tender, but they're just the usual egg noodles. The mushroom, typical mushrooms. And then the meat is also tender, but the most prominent flavor is the soy. Basically for the price of 189 pesos. So if you want to get an instant ramen that tastes pretty good for a price.
And if you're tired of all the instant cup noodle stuff, you can get this. It's just gonna cost a bit more because obviously it's much bigger. I mean, look at this.
This can serve 2 persons actually.
You've got proper noodles, proper toppings, and these mushroom things. You've got the chai bits and soup that doesn't look half bad.
So for the price of 189, I think this one is worth it. So you just have to try it.
Let's just get this Frankenstein of a chopstick I made because I can't be bothered to learn how to use a chopstick. Here's the noodles. Okay, look at that. You know, it doesn't taste half bad. So, interestingly, unlike other cup noodles, this one comes with the mushroomy bits, which is pretty neat. Come on. chopstick, don't fail me now. The mushrooms are kind of chewy. The noodles, they're pretty okay. And the meat, ooh, look at this. That's a big slab of meat. Oh wait, you actually get two. It tastes a bit artificial. There's a bit of a rancid taste. I assume that's because it's refrigerated.
Already.
I mean, we just bought this yesterday.
So I think he likes it because it's already his third bite.
I think it's okay. You wanna try the spicy tonkatsu thing?
Yeah. The soup is spicy, but they have the same noodles. It is a bit creamy and then spicy and also meaty. You can taste the ground pork. So this one is fairly okay, but I'd like to show you more.
Alright, so here's the spicy tonkatsu thing. Let's give this a try. Let's see how good or bad it is. I like spicy food. Oh wow! Oh wow, that is proper spiciness right there. It is actually so spicy. I think I prefer this one over the shoyu because it's not as super smelly. And that's chili. Oh, the chili. It has a big kick. Many people might not be comfortable with this because it's so spicy. But for me, it's awesome. I would give this an 8.
So this one is 8 out of 10. How about this one?
It's a 7, mostly because of the overpowering smell.
Yeah. For me, this one is 8 over 10. And then this one, maybe just the same rating.
It's surprisingly not bad for something that came from 7-Eleven.
The only thing that's missing is maybe a soy egg
It's a tea egg or something.
or some tea egg.
Unlike in Japan, here in the Philippines they don't have tea egg, so maybe you could make one if you wish. But which is your favorite?
I think I like this one, but it lacks some spice.
Personally, this is an 8 for me, maybe a 9 if it was so cold. So thank you for watching me and Hungry JJ. Go check out my channel if you want, but go subscribe to Hungry JJ. She makes more videos than me. Her videos are great. Go subscribe to her if you want.
So thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. Hungry JJ and LarisB. Thank you!